In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix WhatsApp theme or dark mode option not showing problem. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check for app updates. So head over to App Store or Play Store. Search for WhatsApp. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it. Once completion of its update process, launch it. Head over to the U page, then click on the option Appearance. Here you're going to find this section, Chat Theme, click on that. From here you are able to select the chat theme. Likewise, head back and select the option App Theme. From there you can set it to dark theme or the light theme. In case it is still missing, next thing you want to do is head back, launch your settings app, go to General, go to Software Update. If any new updates are available for your device software, just update it. Likewise, give a first restart to your phone, then completely delete WhatsApp from your device. For that person, hold on the WhatsApp, select Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. Then head over to App Store or Play Store and then download the app. With these, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.